Disc Brakes Australia. We are a leader in advanced brake rotor technology. Today, we take a closer look at the cornerstone of our product range, our Street Series Direct OE replacement rotors. At a competitive price, these rotors cover over 98% of the Australian car population, are developed specifically for the application, and often offer superior technology and performance over the original part. So, what exactly puts our Street Series rotors ahead of the pack? Our Kangaroo Paw. This unique diamond and teardrop pillar ventilation design increases heat expulsion by up to 20%, keeping the rotors cool under heavy braking. A CBN machined turned finish. This process ensures an even transfer layer, leading to better pedal feel and reducing the potential for pad knock and resulting premature wear. End shield protection. A zinc aluminium water-based coating that is baked onto the rotor surface, protecting the rotor within from corrosion and preserving its external visual appeal. It also alleviates the need to clean rotors prior to installation. Various surface configurations to match the exact braking requirements of the application. Our most popular variants are plain and our patented T2 design, featuring CNC machined bisymmetrical slots. The slot design facilitates the exit of friction dust and gases, whilst also enhancing the pad bite. DBA rotors are designed for optimal alignment and performance with the complete range of DBA brake products, which has recently been exhaustively expanded. To find out more, visit us at dba.com.au.